Want a plan that actually works? Not one you'll drop after 3 days. This is the 3-step method the top 1% use to crush their goals and make their plans stick. Step 1. Define the true target. Most people set vague goals. I want to grow on YouTube. I want to get fit. That sounds inspiring, but it's useless. The top 1% do something different. They define a true target, one clear, specific outcome with a deadline. Like this, not grow on YouTube, but upload 2 videos a week for the next 30 days. Not get fit, but lose 3 kilograms by August 1st. Your brain needs clarity, not hype, not fluff. A target you can see, track, and hit. Step 2. Know your X and Y. Here's where 99% of people fail. They plan for when everything goes right. But success is built by preparing for what goes wrong. Use this formula. If X happens, then I'll do Y. If I'm tired after work, I'll still write for just 15 minutes. This makes your plan anti-fragile. You're not relying on luck. You're ready for the mess. And you've got a response when it hits. Step 3. Anchor and activate. This is the most powerful step, and almost everyone skips it. Top performers never rely on memory. They install their plan into daily life using anchors and reminders. An anchor is an action you already do every day, like brushing your teeth, drinking coffee, or opening your laptop. You attach your new habit to that anchor. Example, right after I brush my teeth. So here's the plan that actually works. 1. Define your true target. 2. Anticipate failure with your X and Y. 3. Anchor it into your life so it runs on autopilot. If you're done failing, if you're serious about change, comment "I'm done failing" and subscribe for more systems that actually change lives.